Geothermal systems in new home construction create specific pest risks around buried loops and mechanical rooms that need targeted mitigation. Buried loops attract small mammals and insects because soil disturbances and shallow cover can create thermal and moisture pockets that are appealing for nesting and burrowing. Inspect loop trenches and borefield edges during and after backfill and compact soil to recommended densities to reduce voids where animals can tunnel. Protect exposed loops with barrier wraps rated for long-term underground use and overlap seams by at least 4 inches, and secure them with corrosion-resistant fasteners or tape to prevent rodent chewing and abrasion. Seal all mechanical room penetrations where piping, conduits, or vents enter the space with durable materials such as closed-cell foam backer and elastomeric sealant. Then cover those seals with a rigid escutcheon or plate to prevent tampering and chewing. Keep access panel seals tight and inspect gaskets quarterly for cracks or compression set, and replace with weather-resistant neoprene or silicone gaskets if needed. Maintain a clear perimeter around the borefield by trimming vegetation to at least 3 feet from equipment and use gravel or crushed rock to discourage nesting. Also set up regular monitoring for signs of rodent activity, like burrow entrances or gnaw marks, and place non-chemical traps if you detect persistent activity. Common mistakes include leaving gaps at pipe or conduit penetrations which let rodents and insects into mechanical rooms. The fix is to use layered sealing with a rigid cover over a resilient seal. Another issue is relying on thin wrap or no protection for exposed loops, which leads to abrasion and chew-through. Protect loops with heavy-duty barrier wraps and proper overlap plus periodic inspections. A third frequent concern is allowing dense vegetation against the borefield, which hides burrows and increases moisture. Clear and maintain a low vegetation zone and use inorganic ground cover to reduce habitat. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors experienced in geothermal systems and pest mitigation, so we help you find people who understand these specific needs. We also host a community discussion area where our members share field experience, ask questions, and post photos so our network can help troubleshoot site-specific issues.